That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Monday afternoon from the balcony at NYC, and it's a beautiful day. I'm full of excitement because tonight, Game 7 of the Islanders Capitals, can't ask for anything more, right? Go hard or go home. And even bigger to me, we're 5 days away from the fight of our generation, and I can't wait. And yes, the Mets, they might have lost the series over the weekend, but who cares? Still in first place. So I'm going to channel all of this energy that I have and give you the following report. Because it's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed, and you know what time it is. Grab yourself a drink. It's happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they paired gains this Monday afternoon with the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 continuing to struggle to hold on to Friday's record close as investors took in earnings and looked ahead to the Federal Reserve meeting later on this week. Earlier, stocks seeing gains as earnings season continues. While on the economic front, the U.S. services sector saw expansion ease slightly in April from a 7-month high in March on a slide in new business growth. However, results were still mixed as the pace of hiring in that sector continued to rise to its highest level since last June. Meanwhile, already making waves, Apple, as Wall Street watches iPhone sales and an update on Apple's capital return program. Apple's report due out very shortly after the closing bell. Now, you team that with a massive jump in precious metals ahead of the Fed tomorrow and Wednesday, crude oil prices up on oil rig speculation and the U.S. dollar remaining under pressure to start off the week. And you have yourself a session right behind me where for every 4 stocks advancing, there were 3 decliners. That's right, at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out the first trading session of the week. And on the corporate front, DuPont shares jumping more than 4% on news that Institutional Shareholder Services recommended activist Nelson Peltz be on the company's board, and Mylan rejecting Teva's unsolicited $40 billion bid today, but remaining open to future talks. And if you want to see more corporate news, you know exactly where to go. The ModernWallStreet.com market movers report from earlier in the day, and we're going to end it like this. Game 7, go hard, go home. Let's go Islanders. Islanders, Rangers in the next round. Can you imagine that? New York and New York? The city's going to be awesome. And 5 days away, the countdown begins. Manny Pacquiao. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.